Hi everyone, welcome to West Virginia Junior College Bridgeport campus. I'm Caitlin Syrews and I'm the Clinical Medical Assisting Program Director. While cold and flu season is upon us, let's talk about a test you may receive in a medical facility. Today on campus, I have a Clinical Medical Assisting student, McKenzie Wright, performing a strep test.
I'm McKenzie Wright, and today I have my patient, Kelly Middleton, and we are going to be doing a strep test. So here I have my sterile swab. I'm going to go ahead and open that. Want to swab her tonsils. Make sure you don't hit the cheeks or the tongue because you will get an invalid test result. Then I'm going to place it in the cassette. Then crack my solution. Then I'm going to place my solution over the swab, completely covering it. And then we'll get a result in about 5 minutes. Welcome back, I'm McKenzie, and we did a strep test today, and Kelly was actually negative. So 1 line means negative, 2 lines would mean positive, and if we had no lines appear, that would mean that the test result was invalid, and we'd have to do it again.